Midjourney is no longer the best AI tool to create hyper-realistic photos. There's a new tool now that will create not only the photos, but with a click of a button, it will turn any photo into a 5 to 10 second animated video. This is wild. The detail is crazy. In this video, I just want to show you what's possible now with the level of quality that you could get with the new AI image generators and video generators. There's one tool that does it all in one. So here's a photo that was rendered in AI, and now here's a 5-second video using it. The continuity is wild where it just keeps that. Let's check out another one. This one's my favorite because the level of detail is getting so hard to tell the difference between real versus fake. So here's the photo, and now here's the video. Look at the detail. She has 5 fingers. Isn't that wild? So the most important thing to take away here is learning how to use these tools, because someone who has AI skills will be able to outproduce 10 to 1 of anyone who's doing things manually. It's either you have AI skills in the future or you don't, and you'll be left in the dust. You won't be able to get a job. That's wild. This will also change how movies are made, for example. So here's a scene of a woman walking through a park, and then you could actually direct them to do an action. So here's the photo, and here's a video where you could actually tell them to walk towards the camera. So you could actually dictate exactly what you want the character to do in the video and create a 5 to 10 second video of this using these new tools. This one is really good. So especially watch the lighting first. So here's a photo. We just upload the photo and then turn it into a video, and bam, watch the detail of the video. Look at that. Even does the ray of lights that are coming through silhouetting on the arm. The detail is amazing. Even has someone working out in the background. Looks like they're doing jumping jacks. It's so weird. These tools are just getting better and better. This was just an introduction to show you what's possible with these AI tools. You can now create hyper-realistic photos with the click of a button. These tools now do the prompting for you, and you could turn any image into a 5 to 10 second animation video, which is wild. And it's not even using Runway or Sora yet. Those are getting even better, which is wild. So highly recommend. AI changes every single week. If you want to stay up to date, join my AI community, link in the bio. I'm Jonathan Acuna. Hope you learned something, and I'll see you in the next video.